Yeah, this is the part when the protagonist talks something important in deep voice. I don't know much about that. No epic mountain views, no sunset, no endless wilderness with all of its challenges. I'm going to swim in a murky ditch, get all my clothes wet, and hibernate a couple of hours in a damp tent. Just me and the bike. Giddy up, Buttercup. Whee!
Säätiedotus merenkulkijoille. Odotettavissa huomiseen keskipäivään asti. Itäinen Suomenlahti, aluksi lännen ja luoteen välistä tuulta 3-6 metriä sekunnissa.
What's even in here? Okay. Look something edible. Nice. Pro tip, if you eat something you won't die. Don't learn the hard way. Believe me. Yeah, quick and easy. Took something like 6 hours. Yeah, nice. This seems to be fine. You know, it's quite high, but it ain't that heavy. Well, at some point this felt uncomfortable, but you know, I guess broken knee is much more uncomfortable than putting these on. So, what the hell? Let's do it. It might be a slightly overkill to put all these things on when you just go to adventure ride, but well, there are reindeers and elks and all kind of animals which I can run into, and of course I can do something stupid and hurt myself in some way, so better to be safe than sorry, I guess.
Well, a week ago I was in Croatia. It was something like 30 Celsius degrees. So there was moments every now and then when I would have paid for something like this. And you know, this is something you won't get with money. You have to be here and live here to get this. All of this beauty. Man. Look. It's almost sunny there. Nice. Wet seat. You might wonder what's so special in here, but you'll see. You will see. There should be some kind of a Stone Age structure over here somewhere. God knows where. Maybe these riding boots aren't the best for a hike, but you know, whatever for the fun. Yeah, whatever for the fun. Yeah, great. Now it's thundering. Maybe it's a sign from the ancient gods that I'm on the right path. Or in the wrong one. Who knows? Ain't that something? Hey, it seems I'm on the right place. Look at this. Doesn't seem so special, but I think this is from the Stone Age. You know, like thousands and thousands of years ago. Someone thought, hey, maybe I should pile some stones in a circle. That would be awesome. I don't have anything else to do, like hunting or gathering food or something. And hey, it's still here. Nice.
Yeah. I know. Enough witching. Let's go.
Well, that's enough stones for one day. Hey, lingonberries, nice. I was getting hungry already. This is missing the secret ingredient, dog's piece. That's the best one. The sweet water. It's getting darker soon. I guess I should put my tent somewhere near. But let's see. I don't know. This feels somehow kind of restless place to be. The road goes on the other side of this sand pit. Yeah, I guess I have a plan. So we are here right now, as you can see, at the sand pit. But we are going here. This seems remote enough. I guess no one will bother me there. So, let's see what we'll see. It's slightly wet. Where would I go? God damn. Well, you know, I would like to be on these blue areas because they are state owned and it's legal to make fire over there. But, well, this place doesn't look so intriguing, so I guess I'll change the plan as usual. Huh? Alright. Oh, nice. Phone stopped working. Now, I guess I'll just drive around until it's dark enough so I can see anymore. Let's see what we'll see and what we'll not see. Dang. Oh, it's thundering quite heavily. Better to get moving. Those sleeping bags and sleeping pads and whatnot in the middle of the night. Where could my tent be? Well, it wasn't so good tent anyway, so fuck it. Oh man, well, it's not much of a tent trip if you don't have a tent. Not the slightest idea where it could have gone. God damn. Hey, look who's here.